video we will talk about computer networking and what is the LAN, local area network? Local area network is a computer network that interconnect computer within the limited area such as residence, school, laboratory, university campus and office building. By contrast, a wide area network is not only cover larger geographic distance but also generally involve basic telecommunication circuit. So local area network is going to available for the local offices, home and the schools for that region. Now talk about metropolitan area network. So metropolitan area network is the computer network that interact users with the computer resource in geographic region of size of metropolitan area, such like a government building, a residential area, office building, university campus and more. So metropolitan area network is the computer network that convert computer from the metropolitan area, which could be single large city, multiple cities and town, and given large area with the multiple buildings. Wide area network is the telecommunication network that extend over a large geographic area. Wide area networks are often established with the basic telecommunication circuits. LAN, local area network, wide area network. The wireless network are the method. Wireless networking is the method by which a home's telecommunication network and business installation avoid the costly process of the introducing cable into the building. So is a connection between various equipment location. What are the mean by wireless network? A wireless network is the computer network that use wireless data connection between network nodes. You can see this with the help of this. You can wireless network with this diagram. You can see like internet, broadband, modern USB cable, Wi-Fi, and what is the meaning of the switching? So switching is the applied networking with the IT, the practice of direct a signal on data element toward a particular hardware destination. Switching may be diverse way within the greater network infrastructure. What is the network topology? So network topology is the arrangement of the element of the communication network. Network topology can be used to define and describe the arrangement of the various type of the telecommunication network, including command, control, radio network, industrial, field-based and computer networks. Network topology is like a point-to-point bus, ring, star and tree, mesh, hybrid. So this is the network topology. What is the point-to-point network topology? Point-to-point topology is the any network that connect the two hosts in the dedicated fashion. For example, if you are configure a router in the Miami, Florida, I mean if I am connecting my router with my phone, so it is a point-to-point topology. It's a connecting the one to make link between support system. With this you can understand the example of the point-to-point topology. Device 1 is connected with the device 2. So my mobile phone is connected with the router. It's mean this is the point-to-point topology. What is the star topology? Star network is the implementation of the spoke of the making the star in the hub distribution paradigm in the computer network, and in the simplest form on central hub act as a transit star topology. So it is a network topology that which every device is network interconnected the center node known as a switch or hub. When represent visually, topology remainder give its name. The ring topology is the network topology which make the rings connected to other device either side of the RJ45 cable or coaxial cable. This form the circular ring of the connected device which give its name. Bus topology. Bus network is the network topology in which the nodes are directly connected to the common half duplex link called the bus. A bus host is a bus network called the station. In the bus network, every station will receive all network traffic. In the traffic generated by each station has equal transmission priority. So what is the mesh networking? Mesh network is the local area network topology when infrastructure node connect directly to the dynamically and non-hierarchically in the many other nodes as possible as a corporate with the one another to the effectively route data in the form the clients. The repeater is a network device repeater. So repeater is a network device that retransmit a received signal with the more power and to extended geography and topological network boundary than what would be capable with the original signal. Switch is a network device is the networking hardware that is the connect the device on the computer network using the packet switching to receive and forward data to the destination device. A network switch is a multi-port network bridge that use the MAC addresses to forward data at the data link layer and OSI model. By this graph is image you can understand the multicasting by a switch. Switch is sender, receiver, everything is added with this switch. Networking cables are networking hardware that used to connect the network device to another network device to connect two or more computers share device such as printer and scanners. The routers is a device that connect two and more pocket switches network and subnetworks. It serves the two primary functions managing traffic between these network and by forwarding data packet to their intended IP address and allowing multiple devices to use the same internet connection. So a bridge in the computer network is a device that used to connect multiple local area network together with the larger local area network. So bridge help to one local area network connect the one local area network to the another local area network with the larger local area network. The mechanism of the network aggregation is known as a bridging. The bridge is the physical and hardware device but operate at the OSI model data link layer and is also known as a layer of the two switches. Ethernet protocol is a typical local area network technology. Standard Ethernet based local area network transmit the data at a speed of the 10 Mbps and a new Ethernet card known as a fast Ethernet representations which provide data transfer rate of the 100 Mbps. Gigabit Ethernet is the computer networking. Gigabit Ethernet is a term applied to transmitting Ethernet frame in the rate of gigabit per second. The most popular variant is 1000 BST. It's like a standard gigabit Ethernet. 10 gigabit Ethernet. 10 gigabit Ethernet is the group of the computer networking technologies to transmitting the internet frame at rate of 10 gigabit per second. It was defined by the IEEE 80 standard. OSI model is an open system interconnection that describes the even layers that computer system use to communicate over network. It was first standard model for the network communication adopted by all major computer and telecommunication companies in the early 1980s. Here is the example of the what is OSI model. So open system interconnection is the conceptual model created by the International Organization for Standardization to enable diverse communication system communicate using standard protocol. In plain English, OSI provide standard for different computer system. Open system OSI is also like a model that has been computer networking for the application layer, presentation layer and the sensor layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and physical layer.